In front of you now, I think you recognize that we've got a candle in a candelabra. I think it's very lovely. Now, it's interesting. I shouldn't tell you this. I'm giving it all the way. I would ask you, as a challenge, what is the molecular structure of this wax or paraffin? By the way, it's not the same as earwax. Did you see what happened? Did you see it jump? That white smoke is paraffin. It's a fuel. It's combustible. You can oxidize it. You write this thing called an equation. You know, this is one of the greatest threats to human beings. Oh no, not a chemical equation. And then you say, oh, do I have to balance it? Oh, I can't. How can I balance it? Here it is. If I take hydrogen gas and I combine it with oxygen gas and I apply a spark, for instance, I will get an explosion. And the explosion will yield something very interesting called water, H2O. Now that, ladies and gentlemen, is a fact. The mass on this side, the mass on that side has to be the same. Therefore, the atoms on this side and the atoms on that side have to be identical in count. And that's all you do in balancing. It's simple. I've got 2 hydrogen atoms here in this molecule. Oh, that's great. I've got 2 hydrogen atoms in the water. I'm really happy. Okay. Oh, I've got 2 oxygen atoms here, but only 1 over there. What do? I can say, well, maybe I make 2 water molecules. I'm allowed to put a number in front. So now it's reading, 2 times water or 2 water molecules. It's that simple. Okay. So now I'm happy again because I got 2 oxygens here and 2 over there. But I quickly realized with my human brain that I now have 2 times 2, or I have 4 hydrogen atoms, and only 2 over there. So what am I going to do? That's right. I'm going to put a 2 here. And now, here's what we've got. If I do the atom count, 4 hydrogens, 4 hydrogens. 2 oxygens, 2 oxygens. I'm going to light this because what it's doing is it's vaporizing. And you can see that this gasoline is going from the liquid phase to the vapor phase. It's mixing with oxygen and attempting to balance the equation.